You have likely spent weeks tweaking your resume, sending it into the void, and waiting for an employer to finally see your worth. It is an exhausting cycle. The math of the standard job search is broken. When you trade your highly specialized experience for a standard hourly wage, your earning potential hits a hard ceiling, regardless of your talent. To break that ceiling, you must stop positioning yourself as an employee looking for a boss and start operating as an advisor looking for clients. This is a precise framework designed to package your existing career knowledge into an independent consulting brand. The goal is to permanently reclaim ownership of your professional value, so you no longer have to ask permission to earn what you are worth. Step 1. Pause the job hunt. Instead of looking for a desk to sit at, conduct a strict audit of the specific problems you already know how to solve. Look for the operational gaps that large organizations consistently miss. If you have spent years navigating complex systems like elder care or medical administration, that knowledge is your actual product. In the employee framework, your value is tethered to a specific job title and a fixed hourly rate. But the consultant model uncouples your time from your income, shifting the focus to high-impact advisory results. Now that you've identified what you're selling, you need to prove you can deliver it. This requires building a comprehensive service portfolio. Gather your digital evidence. Pull together your past project files, presentations, standard operating procedures, and records of any professional coalitions you have served on. Take those gathered files and organize them into clear categories. Your future clients need to see a curated, easily accessible catalog of your authority. Compiling this portfolio turns years of invisible, day-to-day labor into a tangible asset. It demonstrates your expertise to prospective clients before you even speak to them. Step 2. Take a slice of that expertise and turn it into a value-driven lead magnet, a targeted resource that solves one highly specific problem for your ideal client. You don't have to start from scratch. Use an AI tool to generate a baseline structure for a standard operating procedure in your niche, such as a 10-step guide to navigating elder care. The AI output is just scaffolding. You must refine the text with your personal voice, real-world experience, and the industry nuances only a veteran would know. Once the content is sharp, format it into a clean, easy-to-read PDF. It must look professional and clearly guide the reader through your unique process. Your instinct might be to put a price tag on this document, but keeping it completely free is a tactical necessity. Distributing your high-level strategy for free bypasses initial skepticism. It establishes your authority immediately and captures the contact information of people who actually need your specialized help. Step 3 is distribution. You must transition from a private expert to a public entity by optimizing your profiles across platforms like LinkedIn and Facebook. Your profile should no longer look like personal diaries. They need to function as professional landing pages that clearly state the specific value you provide to your market. To keep those profiles active, commit to a strict weekly content schedule. Hosting a 30-minute live Q&A session every week keeps your audience engaged and proves your expertise in real time. While your online presence grows, execute your outbound strategy. Start pitching local organizations and specialized centers to hire you for staff training and paid seminars. These actions build a client funnel. The free PDF captures attention at the top. In the middle, live Q&As build trusted authority. At the bottom, this authority commands 5-figure fees from major hospitals to solve their systemic problems. A digital funnel operates around the clock. By structuring your business this way, you remove yourself from the daily grind and create a system where clients come directly to you. Setting this up requires taking a leap, and it is natural to feel anxious about moving away from a guaranteed paycheck. To mitigate that stress, build a financial buffer. Set aside 2 to 3 months of living expenses so your new business model has the time it needs to gain momentum. Next, protect your time. Carve out 1 uninterrupted hour every morning to focus exclusively on executing your strategy and building your brand. When you start quoting prices, do not lower your rates out of fear. Organizations regularly pay significant fees for highly specialized problem solving that improves their bottom line. The opportunity is in front of you. Start your expertise audit today and take the first step toward building your own authority. Moving away from the traditional employee mindset is a major transition. But taking control of your own advisory brand is the only reliable path to realizing your true professional and financial worth.